This is a vanity faucet that we have from FORIOUS. It's in matte black. Let's check it out. Comes with supply line hoses. This side connects to the faucet. This connects to your supply lines. And this is our faucet. This is the drain assembly. Let's go ahead and install our faucet. Remove these. Cold on the right, hot on the left. Now we're going to tighten it from the bottom by placing the gasket first and then screwing this up like this here. Remember the order of the gaskets. So we're going to remove this. That's what we're going to put from the bottom of the sink. And this goes on top with this foam gasket. I'm going to put it in here. This goes in here like that. So this can slide into the drain. We're going to tighten that for a tight seal. Tighten these.